Imagine a world where machinery whispers its ailments before they become breakdowns. Welcome to the future of predictive maintenance systems. These remarkable systems employ data analytics, machine learning, and IoT sensors to anticipate equipment failures and schedule proactive maintenance. The result? A drastic reduction in downtime, cost savings, and an extended lifespan for your assets. By vigilantly monitoring equipment performance, usage patterns, and conditions, these systems spot early signs of wear, degradation, or malfunction. This allows for timely intervention and preventive maintenance actions. No industry is left untouched. Manufacturing, transportation, energy, utilities, all are harnessing the power of predictive maintenance. Why? To optimize asset performance and reliability while trimming down maintenance costs and unplanned downtime. In essence, predictive maintenance systems are like the crystal balls of the industrial world, forecasting issues before they arise. And that, my friends, is a game changer. Welcome to the future, where breakdowns are a thing of the past.